So hello, today we are going to learn how to make a page non-index in a WordPress website. So let's go ahead to any website. So consultancy.com is my recent client. I'm working with it. Okay, so what is mean by making the website? What's mean by making the website page a non-index? Let's see. Google has a system that it indexes every page of a website in 1 to 14 days, and it checks all the content of the page, all the wording, all the images, and on the basis of this content, the Google rank the page. So if we believe we don't want to make sure that the Google index our page, so we make it a non-index. Okay, to make a page non-index, we need a tools. This is a SEO tools, and you can download both of them or any one of them. There is Rank Math SEO and Yoast SEO. Just like here, I have installed the Rank Math SEO, and now I'm telling you how to make a page non-index. So first of all, come to the pages and open any of the page that is non-index. Currently, I make all the pages non-index. You can see that the pages are non-index because the client hasn't shifted from old website to new website, and to keep the SEO performance better, I keep all the pages on a non-index. So let me show how I make them a non-index page. For this purpose, you have to edit your page with WordPress Gutenberg editor, and when the page is open, if you are using a Yoast SEO plugin, then you have to scroll down and you will see the option of advanced, and in advanced you can make a page non-index. But in the rank math SEO, you have to click on the rank math icon that is here 78 by 100, and when you click on it, you have to click on this option advanced, and here you can make page non-index. I can make it index and I can make it non-index, and after making the page non-index, you just have to save the page. In this way, you make your page non-index and Google will not crawl their bots on your page content. So whenever you are migrating from one website to another website, it is the best strategy to keep your SEO aligned to make a new website pages non-index. So if you have any problem and if you want to make such a tutorial on a Yoast SEO plugin, then drop a comment. Thank you for watching.